Welcome, awesome people. So, are you ready to craving the freedom of working from home while building a thriving online business? Digital marketing is your gateway to making money and creating passive income streams with ease. From selling digital products and services to leveraging cutting-edge marketing tools, the opportunities are endless. Automation is your best friend. Research shows that 70% of successful marketers use tools to streamline tasks like ad targeting and email campaigns. And speaking about tools, go log in, the best browser for multi-accounting. Helps you manage multiple profiles seamlessly, saving time and boosting efficiency. With smart strategies like personalized content and data-driven decisions, you can reach broader audiences and outpace competitors. Whether you're launching a side hustle or scaling an existing venture, now is the time to embrace innovation, adapt, and turn your ideas into consistent profits. The digital revolution is calling, so are you ready to answer? Check out the links below for more. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.